गोंय राज्यांतल्या 12वीच्या भुरग्यांचो शेनवारा रिझल्ट लागलो। 12वीचो रिझल्ट 95.46% लागला। पुराय गोंयांतल्यान 19,377 भुरग्यांनी 12वीची परीक्षा दिल्ली। तातूंतले 18,497 भुरगे ही परीक्षा पास जाला। हातूंतल्यान वट्ट 9,661 मदले 9,181 चले पास जावन चल्यांची 95.3% वारी आसा, जाल्यार वट्ट 9,716 मदल्यो 9,316 चलयो पास जावन 95.88% अशी चलयांची टक्केवारी आसा। कला, वाणिज्य, विज्ञान आनी वेवसायीक शाखेंतल्यान कला शाखेंतल्यान 95.16%, वाणिज्य शाखेंतल्यान 52%, विज्ञान शाखेंतल्यान 94.19%, जाल्यार वेवसायीक शाखेंतल्यान 92.75% भुरगीं पास जाल्यात।
Now for this year 2023 examination, 19,377 students, candidates that appear in the regular category and 18,497 they have cleared this examination. 49 are reserved because of the various reasons, and the result is 95.46%. Comparing with the last year's result, that is of 2022, with the same system, that is Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, you can see 19,377 this year. Last year it was 18,112. This many people they had appeared. So there was a marginal increase here. 1,265 is the enrollment increase. Whereas past it is 18,497 this year. Whereas last year it was 16,783. So 1,714 students will be the increase in the passing percentage. Comparing with the gender wise, it is boys 9,661, 9,181 passed this examination, 0.03%. Girls 9,716 and passed it is 9,360, whereas the pass percentage is 95.88. So girls, their passing percentage is slightly more than that of boys. This is the percentage of the candidates in the following range. You can see 60 to 80, 10,291 students are in this range, and 81 to 100, 2,371. Less than 33, it is 101 candidates. 33 to 45, this is 911. 46 to 59%, it is 5,703. And of course 60 to 80, as I've said, it is 10,081 to about 2,371. There are 4 categories here stream wise for class 12. One is the art stream, commerce stream, science stream and vocational. For art stream, 4,940 they had appeared and 4,701 they have cleared this examination. The percentage is 95.16. For commerce, this is the maximum enrollment here. For the commerce, it is 5,980 and 5,772 they have cleared this, and needs improvement is 193. This percentage is 96.52. This in fact, this is the highest percentage among all those 4. Science 5,244 they have appeared, 5,044 they have cleared this examination, and this percentage is 96.19%, slightly below the commerce stream. Vocational, this time the result has been increased. 3,213 they have appeared for this, that appeared, and passed 2,918, 222 they did not clear this examination. The result is 92.75%.